Hello guys, welcome to the C programming tutorial. In today's lecture we will study about the logical operator. In C we have three supported logical operator. First logical operator is and second is or, and third is not. And symbol of and is double and symbol of or is double straight vertical straight line, and or is nor we have not, and not is this symbol. These all are supported in C. And for and we know that in truth table, if we made the truth table of and, suppose A, B and y be the output, and here input is 0, 0, possible input are 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1 and 1. In case of and, these bits are get multiplied, so the value of 0, 0, 0 and 1. Here 0 is for false and 1 is for true. So if we have two conditions, both are false, then our result will be false, and if any one are false, then our result also will be false. If both are true, then our result will true. And reverse in the case of or. This is for and, symbol here and in case of or, if we have any true value, then result will be true. So for the first case, if both the value is 0, then our result will 0, and if any value is 1, then our result will 1. So here we have 1, also here we have 1, and in last we have 1. Means if both the conditions are true, then our result will be true in both and or. In both case we have true result. But in the case of not, what happened, our input just reversed in true या false, means input flips together. If we will give a false, then it will return true, and in case we check our condition that this number is equal or not equal, so for equal we check n is equal to 5. But if I want to check it n is not equal to 5, then what we have to check, we have to apply just put not sign before the equal to sign. So this will check if n is not equal to 5. So in today's lecture we will take an example of logical operator to find the given number, given alphabets is vowel या consonant. So moving to the Turbo C++. Now include some header file. Include stdio.h, include conio.h, void main, and here we will declare character, what, any ch character and only character. Ask user to enter any alphabets. Enter any capital alphabets. Capital alphabets. Now scan a %c, address ch. Now here we will check if How many vowels we have? We have 5 vowels named as A, E, I, O and U. If our character equal to what? A, ya or operator we will use. Character equal to B, once again or operator. Character equal to C, once again or operator. Character equal to D, or character equal to capital E. Now here then I will printf alphabet is vowel, else print alphabet is consonant. If I want to also include a small capital small letter, then here we will next also write or operator and write all the 5 small letter vowels. Now here what's happening is, here take these two conditions. If our number is our alphabet is A, then this condition is true, and if our alphabet is B, then this condition is true. If C, then this, yeah, D, then this, yeah, this. If any one of this value is true, then our control will enter in this condition and print alphabet is vowel. If all of these are false, then our control will transfer to the next else condition. So first of all, check the program, it's working or not. Compile, yes, it's fine, and run. Suppose I enter A, alphabet is vowel. One check again for other. Suppose H, alphabet is consonant. Now it's giving fine. And also if I want, I will write here and, means our consonant should be both A and B. And now once again we will check, it will always give alphabets is consonant, because here it will always check both condition must be satisfied, but in character we can have only one value, so this condition will never satisfy, and it will also it will always jump to the else condition. Here check, yeah, alphabet is consonant, so it's fine and working. So guys, this is a tutorial to implement logical operators, and also we have defined what is logical operator, and in next lecture we will see what is bitwise logical operator. In bitwise logical operator we will perform operations on the bits. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.